Imagine spending $1 and making $10 back. Sounds like magic? That's the power of Google Ads for Arizona small businesses. But wait, most fail because they don't have a killer strategy. That's where online marketing media steps in. Picture your ad popping up when someone searches best tacos in Phoenix. Bam, instant crowd. It's not just about ads, it's about smart targeting, perfect timing, and catchy creatives that convert browsers into buyers. Here's the twist. Local businesses using online marketing media saw a 300% increase in leads within 30 days. Feeling stuck? Think of Google Ads like a spotlight shining directly on your business, making sure your ideal customers can't look away. And guess what? You don't have to be a marketing genius. Online marketing media crafts campaigns that get clicks, calls, and cash flow. Ready to turn your small business into Arizona's next big success? What would it mean if every dollar you spent brought back tenfold? Drop your thoughts below and let's spark your growth today.